Random alarm activation in your 1998 Jeep Grand Cherokee is a common frustration. Four main components typically cause these false alarms, and we'll show you how to identify and address each one. The liftgate switch is the most common culprit, responsible for about 35% of alarm issues. This switch is located in the rear door frame and is highly prone to corrosion and misalignment. The solution involves cleaning the switch contacts with electrical contact cleaner. If corrosion is extensive, replace the entire switch assembly with part number 5600923. Door pin switches are the second most common cause, accounting for 20% of issues. These switches can stick or corrode, sending false door open signals that trigger the alarm system. The hood sensor can trigger false alarms due to vibration or loose connections. Check for damaged wiring and ensure all connections are secure and free from corrosion. Key fob issues account for 15% of alarm problems. Low battery or programming conflicts can cause system confusion. Try replacing the CR2032 battery first, then reprogram the fob if needed. Start your diagnosis with these four components in order of likelihood. Most alarm issues can be resolved with basic cleaning and maintenance. If problems persist after checking these areas, advanced troubleshooting may be required. When basic fixes don't resolve your alarm issues, advanced troubleshooting methods can reset the system's memory and resolve deeper software conflicts. The first method is a key fob reset. Start by inserting your key and turning it to the on position without starting the engine. Next, locate the lock and unlock buttons on your key fob. Press and hold both buttons simultaneously for exactly 15 seconds. After 15 seconds, turn the key to off and remove it. Wait 10 minutes before testing the system to allow the reset to complete. If the key fob reset doesn't work, try a body control module reset by disconnecting the battery. This clears the BCM memory and can resolve persistent software glitches. Locate your battery and disconnect the negative terminal. Leave it disconnected for 30 minutes to ensure the BCM memory is completely cleared. After 30 minutes, reconnect the battery and start the vehicle. Let it idle for 10 minutes to allow the system to relearn sensor baselines. For the most thorough reset, use the complete system reset procedure. This drains all residual power and forces a complete system reinitialization. First, disconnect the negative battery terminal. Then press and hold the horn button for 30 seconds to drain any residual electrical charge from the system. This complete reset has a 90% success rate for resolving persistent alarm issues. If problems continue after this procedure, consider aftermarket bypass modules or professional BCM reprogramming services.